Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Today we went to our Walmart. We picked up some opening day. I know it's not the hottest product out there that everybody's looking after, but I was lucky to find this one single wall hanger at my local Walmart. So I picked it up to open for you guys. I don't have this complete set yet, so good thing for me that I'm always trying to find the complete sets. There is 35 total cards in here, 5 packs, 7 cards per pack, guys. You can look for autographs and relic cards right there, guys. I'm going to show you guys those odds. A lot of you guys like to pause the screen and look at those, and there is your no purchase necessary information, guys. If you want to pause that, jot it down, whatever. All right, so here we go. We're going to jump on into it, see if we can get anything decent. And I'm having hard times finding cards now, guys, without paying those flipper fees, and I refuse to pay flipper fees. And let's go ahead and open it. There is our packs inside, guys. Nothing else in there. Let's go ahead and get it started. See if we can pull anything decent out of opening day. This is a very low-end set, guys. A lot of people can just go ahead and get their hands on these, but you never know. You might find something cool inside of one of these packs. We got a Justin Turner. We've got a Marcell Ozuna, which a lot of you have watched the news lately. I'm pretty sure you've heard about what happened with him. We got Andres Jimenez rookie cards. Stick our rookies to the side. Andrew Benintendi. We got a Swinging Friar right there from the San Diego Padres mascot card. That's pretty cool. I know I don't have that one. We got Nico Goodrum. And we got a Future Stars of Trent Grisham right there, guys. That's pretty cool. Alright, so far 1 pack, 1 rookie. That might be what our odds is going to be, like 1 rookie per pack maybe. Who you guys out there think is doing the best this season so far? Look, right there we got the really hyped up player right there that's not really doing that great like everybody said in the beginning, but that is Ryan Mountcastle's rookie card, so we'll just stick that to the side. We got Yu Darvish. I see something nice coming up. We got Brandon Crawford. Here we go, guys. We got a blue hollow-like style parallel of Aaron Nola. And it's got it stamped April 1st, 2021. It's not a numbered card, but it is nice. They're pretty cool right there. So we'll stick that to the side with our rookies. Look at that. We got the Legends of Baseball Craig Biggio insert. That's pretty cool. Luis Castillo and a Cody Hewer rookie card, guys. So, yeah, there's some rookie cards right there. All right, so 3 more packs to go. Let's see if we can get anything cool. Because you never know, guys. You can pull numbered cards and short prints and all that. We got Patrick Corbin. We got Mike Brosu Future Stars. We got a Buster Posey. We got a Mike Trout. It's nice, Mike Trout. Got Billy Williams throwback. That's pretty cool. I like that insert a lot. That's nice. We got a Whit Merrifield and Brian Buxton. All right, so nothing too hot yet. A couple of rookies, but we'll take them. Here we go. Last 2 packs. What do we have? What do we have? We got Destrange Gordon in his mask. We got Daniel Johnson's rookie card. I'll stick that to the side. Jock Pederson. There we go. We got Pirate Parrot. The Pirates logo for mascot. That's pretty cool. We got Anderson Tejeda's rookie card. Nice. We'll take a Brett Gardner. And then we got Carlos Correa. Right there, guys. All right, guys. So last pack. Wish us luck out there, and be sure to leave a comment and let me know how your team's doing this year, guys. We've got a Anthony Rizzo, John Means. We got Evan White rookie card. Here we go, another rookie card. We've got Dalton Varsho. We got Legends of Baseball Ken Griffey Jr. That's really nice. I like that. We got Sixto Sanchez rookie card. And the last card is going to be Rise Hopkins, guys. So, not too great of a wall hanger, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of these cards in here that I don't have in my personal collection yet for opening day. So we'll go through all of those, of course. I want to say this is our rookie pile. We got Sixto Sanchez, Dalton Varsho, Evan White, Anderson Tejeda, Daniel Johnson. We've got the Cody Hewer, Ryan Mountcastle, and Andres Jimenez right there, guys. Plus, we got this right here, a little full version, little blue full of Aaron Nola. So that's a pretty cool little card to add to the collection, guys. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that like button down below for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.